Okay, so now we're going to talk about a lateral skull. Lateral skull, we luckily don't have to worry about the OML or IOML or MML or anything like that. The one line that we are, actually two lines, we are worried about is the IPL, which is the interpupilar line, and then the MSP. When we are doing a skull, we are looking at the entire skull again. Remember, when we're doing a skull, we don't need to have that mandible on there. We need to have the entire skull. We should have light around the entire skull and see the head. It can be tricky. Somebody who has a lot of hair, you need to pat that hair down to make sure you don't have too much, because with skulls, facial bones, and everything, it's incredibly important to collimate, because there's so much detail in here. As you guys can all tell, hopefully, by studying that anatomy, there's lots and lots in there. So for skull, you want the IPL perpendicular to the IR, and you want the MSP parallel to it. So the IPL perpendicular, MSP parallel. Again, use the ruler, all right? I will be checking with the ruler. So you want to make sure that there is no rotation, no tilt, or anything like that. Those are the lines that you are going to use. This projection does not require an angle, so enjoy these. So it's a 90-degree angle or a 0-degree angle or whatever, no angle on this. To the patient with a skull, you're going to find the EAM and go 2 inches above there. That is where you're going to center for a skull. Now, your lateral facial bones, lateral nasal bones, all of those include the same IPL and MSP. The positioning is exactly the same. However, the centering is different for each. And we will get into that in more detail later on.